She just peed.
Yellow snow. It sounds funny, the snow underneath your feet. You can tell it's warming up a little bit. Look at her little footprints. These people are okay. Come here, Bella. You want me to carry you, huh? Whoa, I almost dropped her. We gotta make sure that no big doggy munches you. Yeah. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Texas winter. Wow. Was it like 4 days?
Yeah, this is Monday.
I thought it was Sunday it started, right?
Sunday night.
No, it was before Sunday, remember?
It was just cold.
Yeah, but it was icy. Can't really spit out these uh-oh, here's some ice. Right here, look. Oh, you're not on ice? Oh, it's not slippery ice.
No.
Slushy ice. All right, you better stay on this sidewalk. Come on. Something's the matter with my shoes.
What?
So it needs to be tied. Where's Bella at?
Right here. Right here, baby girl. Bella? Come on, Bella.
Come here, Bella.
Bella? Stop.
Here, we can go over here.
Which way?
Yeah, that street's kind of busy right there. She's got a big old clump of ice on her foot. Look, in the back foot. Yeah.
I didn't want to face the wind.
See all the clumps of ice she has on her feet? So yeah, so we're at like between an inch or two right now, the second snow, which is kind of cool. There's Bella having fun. She's got little Little ice balls on her feet. Come here, Bella. You having fun? You gotta chill out. We don't want you to get too far. Come here. See the little balls on her feet? She's having fun. Are you having fun, Bella? Huh? You're being a good puppy. I'm just glad there's no other puppies out here. Come here. You can't go too far away, Bubba. Oh, here, pick her up.
Wait.
Here, pick her up.
Come on.
I don't know if someone's walking their dog.
Huh?
There's someone over there. Oh, they're not walking a dog. Yeah, I think this will be the last of it though, today. I'm gonna go, oh, where's the mail at? No, it's over here. I don't think they came, but we'll see. Did your aunt go walk out in the snow? Your aunt? Who, Bella's? House. Be nice. Yeah, I did. It's slippery right here.
I'm gonna help my dog. It's hard breathing.
Come on.
Walking and running again.
We both do.
Yellow lab.
Nope.
Nope. Okay, thank you.
Sorry. Come here, baby. A yellow lab.
Oh, no,
Come here, baby.
come here, Billy. Your feet are cold?
Snowman? No, we gotta do it in the front yard.
No.
Yeah. No, we got it all right here. We could put it right here.
No. I don't want to mess with that. I'm going to make it pretty.
Look, we can even use... This is weird, man.
Why?
Oh, I'm gonna ask Ethan if he wants to come get him.
You want to what?
Wants me to come get him? GoPro, stop recording. Breeze and it's snowing, so it's not sticking on the roads, which is cool. There are some black ice spots, like this might be, like not black ice, but like it might be slippery on this road. This white part here.
Keep your hands on the road.
Here, you want to hold it?
It's
When it's packed down is when it's bad. Like icy.
oh, it turned off.
It did. All the deer are stuck in there. I guess after being cold so many days, it's you cold? Yeah, it's 30 degrees now. It says 30 degrees.
Wow.
So
Yeah. And isn't it continue all the way to tonight?
So they changed it again?
Yeah, it's changed.
So it was going to get above freezing?
It was, now it's not going to.
Uh-oh.
So 32 degrees is not till 6 o'clock
In the morning.
tonight. But it's going to drop down to 27, 25. But it's going to stop and then it's going to be nice.
Little ice patch there.